Okay, folks, welcome to our pre-market analysis of the equity markets. It is about 7:30 a.m. If you're watching this on the replay and you want to get this earlier, head on over to the Contrarian Trader Public Forum. It's free. There's a link below, no credit card required. And we also have an amazing chat room here, Bull and Bear Banter. Small fee every month. It helps keep the lights on here. Hope to see you on the other side. So let's get to the day's events. Today is a big day in terms of CPI coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is not the only report to come out. We're also getting consumer confidence. Remember, discretionaries are a bit overbought, driven by Amazon and Tesla. So they're vulnerable to a sell-off. The number to watch today is going to be the core CPI year over year. Heck, I'll even go with the headline year over year. Do we tick up as we did with PCE, which came out, I think, 2 weeks ago now? And don't forget tomorrow, initial jobless claims and the PPI, Producer Price Index. That's the level of inflation at the producer level. As we head into the new trading day, we have a probability of an ease, pretty much from last night when we went over this on Market Wrap. And I have a trade I'll share with you in a moment. What I'm looking to do is I'm looking to sell a put spread on the nat gas futures contract. I think we're looking pretty strong here. So I want to put on a bullish bet without being aggressively long, because December is not a great month going back 12 years for natural gas. It picks up a little bit in December, but not wonderful. Up only 42% of the time. Now, in terms of weekly price performance, this is one of the reasons why I like it. And by the way, we're using seasonality with TrendSpider, link below. If you're not already a member to their service, I strongly recommend it. So much so, I give it away free to our silver and gold level members to the Contrarian Trader. So you can see as we proceed into the back half of the year, after a rough initial month of December, seasonally, we seem to gain some stability, if you will. And when you take a look at the daily price action of natural gas, you could see that yesterday, a nice bullish reversal day. And I think the path of least resistance is to the upside. We are up in the pre-market session. There you have it. New daily, higher highs. And we're nearing resistance at around 1432 on UNG. Now here's a trade I have on, or I'm trying to get executed, I should say. We're a little bit overbought intra-session, so I put in an advanced order to sell a put spread. This is a bullish bet. Some people hear puts, they think it's bearish. No, I'm the banker, not the borrower. I'm trying to sell these options, not buy them. And our risk here is pretty favorable, in that we are risking with very low probability $7,100 with a very high probability of max profit of $7,900. Normally, we'll just carry that 20 days to expiration, so we're not going to capture that entire premium unless, of course, the shares just move up higher and we close it out prematurely, or I should say before expiration. So I may manipulate this lower if we get a pullback intraday and we put in a higher low, and it feels as though and it looks as though we are getting ready to put in new higher highs. So we've been bullish on natural gas. We remain bullish on natural gas as it consolidates. And you can see now already, since I began chatting, we're ready to take out session highs here. So a very strong session. Now, let's take a look at the equity futures. E-minis up 0.08%. NQ up 0.16%. YM, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which has been weak of late, multiple days of sequential down days. Down fractionally, but off of its lows. RTY. This is the Russell 2000. Up fractionally. It's clear that the markets are waiting for the 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time news. Mid caps up fractionally as well. Let's check in with GC, gold. Gold continues to be moving to the upside, up nearly 1/3% off of session highs, but still a bullish week so far. Silver is down on the session about a 0.5 percentage point. And on a daily chart, while we've seen some up days on silver, you haven't seen long white candlesticks or green candlesticks. It's been a lot of what appears to be gaps up on short squeezes, and then you get a fade intraday. Not awe-inspiring. Nothing that makes me want to say, okay, it's time to go buy silver. Oil up 1.21% this session. Well, let's see what energy is doing pre-market. We've been talking about this. As a matter of fact, we spoke about it quite a bit last night on Market Wrap. We're looking for a gap down, a washout on energy stocks. And I posted a chart in the forum of some energy stocks that I liked, one of which I posted this in the Bull and Bear Banter chat, UNG Energy. This is a monthly chart. So a monthly chart, Bollinger Bands in red, Keltner channels in green. It looks as though we're getting ready at some point in time for a massive move up higher. But energy in general needs to turn around. And of course, you need oil, natural gas moving up higher as well to put a bid under these names. So I'll continue to scan for opportunities. I'll post them in the Bull and Bear Banter chat room. Again, if you're not currently a member of our forum, sign up. It's free. And if you want to head on over and into the Bull and Bear Banter chat, please do so. Small fee. Again, small fee to keep the lights on here. And of course, if you want to check out some of our premium replays of our content, it's posted here, and that's free of charge. Everybody have an awesome remainder of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Be well.